Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. So we have 7 of air, 7 of earth and 9 of water. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are in an important circumstance today. You need to make an important choice, maybe in your work or in your relationship. So some kind of strategic move you need to do, guys, and you don't know which way to go. So you are thinking deeply, and maybe for some of you, you have a lot of anxiety, fear making the choice because you don't want to repeat your past mistakes and you want positive things in your future, or you expect positive results. So you do not want to make any mistake and start over again, but you need to understand that you will be helped today. So whatever needs to be done, you will have that higher power or universe guiding your actions and you need not fear. You just have to pray deep in your heart, pray for yourself to make that right choice and have faith and trust in yourself and make that choice. So just fearing your circumstances is not going to help you in any way, guys. And you are someone who wants to think freely, independently. You do not want to listen to others. Maybe for some of you, maybe this person you love, they are suggesting you certain things, or it may be suggestions from someone really close to you. It may be your close friend, or it may be your parent or sibling. So they are giving you some ideas, but you are someone who makes your own choices and you who decides on your own and who lives life on their own terms. So you don't want to listen to others and you want to make the choice for yourself and you never want to give up your independence. So you are a free spirited person, but you have some kind of an apprehension in this circumstance. So have trust and faith in yourself, guys, and you're going to make the right choice, because I also see that you are happy for something. Happy because something has gone well, your wishes have been fulfilled or dreams have come true and your hard work and efforts are paying off today, guys. So you are happy for some kind of circumstance. So Sagittarius, have faith, you will be making the right choice. So whatever that choice may be, guys, today. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is 7 of fire. So we have 3 7 cards here, guys. So it is that that universe's guidance here for us. That may be the reason we have 3 7 cards here. So you are doing your best. Maybe even in this relationship, maybe things may go well for some of you, but for some of you, things may not go well. All you need is courage, strength, and that perseverance, guys. So, if you are patient enough, things are going to change, and you will be able to find the right solution for your circumstance. So, whatever will work, you will be able to find the right answers today, guys. So you are getting the right answers, that is what I mean. So this may be your energy or their energy towards this relationship. So whatever you need is reaching you today, guys, Sagittarius. So the card for your career situation, it is the Hangman. So in your work situation, you need some kind of a flexibility. Today you need to change your ways. Maybe you have done a lot. Maybe you have given up a lot, sacrificed a lot. But today you need to let go of that expectation also, guys. So that is what is making this situation worse for you. So if you give up that expectation, things are going to fall into place smoothly, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you, it may be some kind of a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you, it may be, this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers or through some people whom you whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray, just Pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, you are moving into a very, a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship, where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love, and clear communication. So only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser, and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.